Water Kefir is a probiotic drink made from water, sugar, and kefir grains. Kefir grains are a symbiotic colony of bacteria and yeast, and they are used to make water kefir. Water kefir is a probiotic drink that is high in minerals and B vitamins. It contains lactobacillus, streptococcus, pediococcus, and leuconostoc bacteria, and Saccharomyces and Zygosaccharomyces yeasts. These probiotics can help improve gut health, digestion, and nutrient absorption. How to make water kefir. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of kefir grains. Instructions: 1. Combine the sugar and water in a jar or container. 2. Add the kefir grains and stir gently to combine. 3. Cover the jar or container with a cloth or coffee filter. Use a rubber band to secure the filter to the container top. The kefir bacteria require air in the first fermentation. Let it sit at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. 4. Strain the kefir grains from the mixture and use again for a new batch. The grains will continue to grow and give you a source of future kefir. 5. Serve the kefir chilled or store in the fridge for later. 6. For a second fermentation, pour the kefir into brew-safe bottles with tight-fitting tops. This will hold in the carbon dioxide and give you a sparkling cola-type fizz. Add fruit juice or store it plain. Let it sit for 1 to 3 days. Store in fridge to chill. Now you have water kefir. Enjoy. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.